What is happening, you guys? It's your boy DAWB coming at you with a new video, and this time it is in fact a process video and a commission that I did for my good friend Blake, aka Kingdom Key, and this is currently my third commission from him, and we go a little bit back. We've hung out, we've bonded, I've watched his streams plenty of times, and his character is very much like a familiar and loving character that we all know, and he doesn't like to be compared to him. So yeah, if you can't tell already, but Blake, thank you for allowing me to do this. And funny enough, when I did this, I actually did not have your model in the past, so I ended up having to emulate a new model and kind of make sure that his hair was kind of the way I made it the second time or the third time. But yeah, I had to build it from scratch, and that was fun. But this is the Xehanort version of his character. So white hair, kind of a grayish kind of thing, white gloves, white boots, just like Xehanort would have in the series. And of course, we cannot forget the amazing crazy keyblade design. This was a really well designed keyblade. Unfortunately modeling it was not, and Blake can attest to that. But in the end, it looked incredible. I think the first two times I did it was amazing. So was there a way for me to build it from scratch again? Heck no. No, sir. So, yeah. Here is the Organization 13 chair, as you can see. And here we are posing him, as you can see. And if you guys don't know, the program I am using currently is Cinema 4D. And the transition from Cinema 4D to Procreate are ideally the two programs I use. And I love to incorporate 3D and 2D at the same time. And I think as we keep progressing further and further, I hope to achieve that. I hope to really achieve that really in my artwork, to really show love of the 3D process and the 3D modeling, and love for the drawing aesthetic as well. So that's for anyone who wishes to know. I already got Mr. Blake squared away, Xehanort version of Blake squared away, and I have him on the Organization 13 chair. Got the lights squared away, the pose squared away, and yeah, we're just kind of doing trial and error. Obviously, he loves green. Yeah, you can see the green everywhere. Lots of green. Yeah, so just getting all the lighting, rendering squared away. And what I do is I use this same render and then I draw over it on Procreate. And yes, I do draw over my own stuff that I build in 3D myself. I don't see anything wrong with that, and I really want to talk about that later. But everyone has a process. Everyone has their unique way of drawing and creating and developing, and I believe that whatever way you want to do it should be your way. There shouldn't really be a right way, and we all have our own ways anyway. Blake, thank you again for allowing me to do this for you. This was a lot of fun, very relaxing, and not crazy outside of the keyblade. But yeah, thank you for letting me do this. And here we are. We're gonna switch over to Procreate, and as you can see, I am just going bananas. I wish I can go this fast, but I do not go this fast. But as you can see, I'm only drawing or doing line art over specific things, and I'm leaving some things alone on purpose. And once again, like I said before, I wanted to incorporate a lot of the 2D and some of the 3D as well. And I think my style is now kind of evolved into a point to where I want to show the 3D on purpose, and I want to show the 2D on purpose. I want to show a strong form on both platforms. I'm not saying I'm the greatest at those two, but I want to at least achieve those two synonymously, and yeah, just kind of get a good feel. And I left the pans alone, as you can see, and you'll see a little bit later on the final render or the final version. This was a lot of fun. Obviously, this is very much like our boy Sora, and I've drawn Sora probably more than any other character, and this was fun. This was relaxing, and this was a labor of love, specifically also on that Keyblade, of which I forgot to add the green. Thank you, Blake, for reminding me, because I always forget. There's an old, actually that's the first commission right there on the side. I'm using that as reference to finish it, and here we are. It's all finished, and see those pants there? I did a little bit of some improvising on there, and yeah, that's it. Blake, thank you again, and thank you for watching. Patreons, thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate it. Peace.